Tips and tricks for JEE Mains. The Joint Entrance Examination JEE is an all-India common engineering entrance examination administered by the NTA, National Testing Agency, for admission to various engineering colleges throughout the country. It is also regarded as one of the world's most challenging engineering admission tests. JEE is divided into two parts, JEE Main and JEE Advanced. JEE Advanced is used to gain admission to the Indian Institutes of Technology (IITs). In contrast, JEE Main is used to gain admission to the Indian Institutes of Information Technology (IIIT) and National Institutes of Technology (NIT). Only students clearing the cutoff for JEE Main are eligible to take JEE Advanced. Recently, the JEE Main 2023 Session 2 results were released by the NTA and the students have to register for the next level, i.e., JEE Advanced 2023. If you are aspiring for the JEE Main exam, start preparing now for the JEE 2023. Let us now understand the examination pattern, which is essential to plan and score better in the exam. JEE Main exam pattern. The JEE Main exam is of the objective type MCQs with 4 options. Here choosing the right options is important as it has the negative marking as well. Negative marking is intended to discourage guessing. There are 3 papers, Tech, B.Arc, and B. Planning. Candidates need to give 75 out of 90 questions, 77 out of 82 questions, and 100 out of 105 questions. For each correct question, candidates will be given 4 marks and a deduction of 1 mark for each wrong question. There is no negative marking if any of the questions are left unattempted. JEE Mains Exam Preparation Tips and Tricks. If you're wondering how to prepare for the JEE Mains exam, here are some pointers to help you get started. Make a realistic timetable that can be followed. A well-structured plan is the first step towards success. Making a realistic timeline will assist you in determining when and how much you should study in a day. When you've finished creating your schedule, stick to it. Divide the syllabus into equal portions before prioritizing the most crucial topics. Set smaller and more attainable goals, such as finishing a chemistry topic in an hour, as it will help you stay on track, focused, and combat any distractions. Self-study is important. One of the most difficult challenges for engineering students is managing their time for effective self-study. You will realize your true potential when you sit down to study with a clear mind and avoid any unneeded distractions. Simultaneously, self-study provides a deeper comprehension of the material and raises doubts that can be answered later. Having the doubts resolved beforehand is wise to ensure you cover every topic with a deeper understanding. Fill circle. Learn to manage your time effectively. Organizing your time throughout the JEE Main preparation is one of the most important things to undertake. You must balance academics and other responsibilities when preparing for any competitive examination. No matter how hard you work to prepare for the JEE exam, you will never be able to finish your syllabus on time if you don't know how to manage your time wisely. Choose the reference books wisely. The market offers a plethora of reference books to prepare for such difficult tests. However, the only trend that JEE Main exhibits is its emphasis on comprehension rather than rote learning and on applying one's knowledge to new and unexpected challenges. Students cannot afford to squander time preparing for incorrect books or study material. Thus, studying the right books becomes essential for better scores. Solve previous year's papers and mock tests. The JEE Main questions are not limited to a single chapter or subject. Your fundamentals must be crystal clear to answer these kinds of questions. Second, completing as many practice tests and previous year's exam papers as possible is vital for having a better idea of how to deal with questions in the real exam. Solving previous exam papers improves your speed and accuracy when dealing with time-consuming questions. Furthermore, such test papers will give you insight into the types of questions that may appear in the exam and the difficulty level of such questions. All in all, the mock tests are the key to raising your confidence, in turn, your scores. Fill circle. Always be curious to learn. Never be afraid to ask your teachers or peers questions when you're stuck on an issue and get your doubts addressed immediately. If anything seems complicated, ask again and again. You can broaden your expertise and solve comparable complex challenges by asking questions. Remember that focusing solely on mugging concepts will not help you crack the JEE Main exam. Fill circle. Revise as much as you can. Because the syllabus is extensive, you will require comprehensive revision to assist you in remembering each concept. Regular revision will improve your knowledge, retention, and understanding of the subject. It will give you momentum, which will assist you in avoiding forgetting the JEE Main syllabus topics. At least once every 2 weeks, review significant concepts you may have previously studied. If you actually want to pass JEE Main on your first attempt, you must practice answering exam papers, identifying the weaknesses, and revising regularly. Filled circle: always have a positive attitude. It is critical to maintain a positive mindset during the preparation process. Excessive stress will also result in poor exam performance. As a result, always think about the good outcomes. Never be discouraged if you encounter a slump, try to address the challenge confidently and move on. Maintaining a good attitude will not only help you with your JEE Main and JEE Advanced preparation, but it will also enhance your confidence. Exam day tips: to prepare for IIT JEE exam, don't bring up any new topic, only revise essential topics according to the syllabus. Avoid studying for lengthy periods, eat well and healthily, and sleep early and soundly. Arrive at the exam center 45 minutes before the exam. Don't study anything new before or on the day of the exam. Take a quick look at the paper. Time management is essential. Examine the questions thoroughly. Make no wild guesses. Don't spend too much time on one question. Be upbeat and self-assured. Make every effort possible. Following the advice provided above can make a significant difference. If you truly want to attain your goal of passing the JEE Main exam and getting into an exceptional engineering college, then follow the tips provided in this video. These preparation tactics will assist you in preparing for and cracking the IIT JEE Main exam. There is no doubt that JEE is one of the most difficult entrance tests. Therefore, if you require any assistance in planning your preparations, contact the expert career counselors. Please do not forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.